The snake is the largest of the many reptiles. So tough luck T-Rex and better luck next time versus dragon. Additionally, all lizards are reptiles, but not all reptiles are lizards, and we'll be referring to both in turn. Before that, if this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so you can keep up to date with all our latest videos. Here are 7 largest reptiles in the world. Number 7. Argentine black and white tegu.
And sure enough, just like the farmer said, there is the black and white tegu.
The Argentine black and white tegu, also commonly called the Argentine giant tegu. The species is the largest of the tegu lizards. It is an omnivorous species which inhabits the tropical rainforest savannas and semi-deserts of eastern and central South America. Tegus are sometimes kept as pets. They are notable for their usually high intelligence and can also be housebroken. Like other reptiles, tegus go into brumation in autumn when the temperature drops. They exhibit a high level of activity during their wakeful period of year. Tegus fill ecological niches similar to those of monitor lizards and are an example of convergent evolution. Number 6. The Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile is a large crocodilian native to freshwater habitats in Africa, where it is present in 26 countries. Due to its widespread occurrence and stable population trend, it has been listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List since 1996. It's one of the deadliest crocs in the world and will take down almost anything in snapping distance and opportunistic ambush hunter. The Nile crocodile is the largest crocodilian in Africa and is generally considered the second largest crocodilian after the saltwater crocodile. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the typical mature size is between 11 feet 2 inches to 12 feet 2 inches. The separation of the two is not recognized by the IUCN as their last evolution of the group was in 2008 and 2009. Since the Paleocene period about 5 million years ago, these guys were represented in the Egyptian pantheon of gods. Number 5. The alligator snapping turtle. The alligator snapping turtle is a species of turtle in the family Chelydridae. The species is native to freshwater habitats in the United States. Snapping turtle is one of the heaviest freshwater turtles in the world. It is the largest freshwater species of turtle in North America, so named because of its sharp-plated shell, heavy head and crazy powerful jaws. It is also slightly less commonly known as the loggerhead snapper. There are non-native established invasive population of the alligator snapping turtle in South Africa. Despite its reputation, the alligator snapping turtle is typically not prone to biting. However, if provoked, it is quite capable of delivering a powerful bite which can easily amputate fingers. The heaviest confirmed of the species lived at the aquarium in Chicago and weighed in at 249 pounds, not normally such monsters. Number 4. The Burmese python. The Burmese python is one of the largest species of snakes. It is native to a large area of Southeast Asia but is found as an invasive species elsewhere. Until 2009, it was considered a subspecies of Python molurus but is now recognized as belonging to a distinct species. The Burmese python is a dark-colored snake with many brown blotches bordered in black down the back. The Burmese python can reach an average length of 12 feet. However, they have been known to grow to almost 19 feet native to South and Southeast Asia. The Burmese python is often found near marshes and swamps and is sometimes semi-aquatic but can also be found in trees. They are also excellent swimmers, being able to stay submerged for up to half an hour. Burmese pythons are often sold as pets and are made popular by their attractive coloration and apparently easygoing nature. Number 3. The Asian water monitor. The Asian water monitor, also called common water monitor, is a large varanid lizard native to South and Southeast Asia. It is one of the most common monitor lizards in Asia, ranging from Sri Lanka and coastal northeast India to Indonesia and Indonesian islands where it lives close to water. It was described by Laurenti in 1768 and is among the largest squamates in the world. They are always found near water. On average, an adult water monitor will not get much bigger than 6.5 feet. There is a significant amount of taxonomic uncertainty with this species complex. Research initiatives such as these are very important to assess changes in conservation assessment. The largest specimen on record from Sri Lanka measured 10.5 feet. They are also the second heaviest lizard in the world. Perhaps owing their terrible size in Thailand, the local name the creature Kia is actually an insult and denotes bad luck. Number 2. The Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon, also known as the Komodo monitor, is a species of lizard found in the Indonesian islands. Komodo dragons hunt and ambush for prey. Komodo is the largest living lizard species, achieving maximum lengths of 10 feet and a recorded weight of 366 pounds. Komodo dragon's group behavior in hunting is exceptional in the reptile world. The Komodo dragon prefers hot and dry places and typically lives in dry open grassland savanna. Komodo is a very aggressive animal. In 2007, a Komodo dragon killed an 8-year-old boy on Komodo Island. It's also thought that the Komodo dragon may be a relic of the Pleistocene period, surviving after all the megafauna in the area died out. Number 1. The Titanoboa. Titanoboa is an extinct genus of a very large snake that lived in what is now La Guajira in northeastern Colombia. They could grow up to 42 feet long and reach a weight of 1,135 kg. Fossils of Titanoboa have been found in the Ceresan Formation and date to around 58 to 60 million years ago. The giant snake lived during the Middle to Late Paleocene epoch, a 10 million period immediately following the Cretacean-Paleocene extinction event. The only known species is Titanoboa cerezonosis, the largest snake ever discovered, which supplanted the previous record holder Gigantofish. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell button to turn on the notifications so you can enjoy our next video. And comment below what part did you enjoy the most in our video.